Hello, today is Saturday, the 15th of March. It's day 13 of my trip and I am now in Angers. As yesterday was rather stressful and I arrived late, I just want to have a relaxing day today. This morning, I'm just walking around and exploring the little streets of the city center.
Est-ce qu'il fait soleil ce matin?
The accommodation is right in the middle of the city center, so that's really convenient.
Lots of little birds in there. So that is the Cathedral Saint-Maurice. As you can see, it is half under construction, under maintenance. It's can't go in there. And look right there, right in front, it's leading to the river, I think. Yeah, beautiful view. It's chocolate, but fancy chocolate. So that's a bakery, and it's called Maison Beckham, so Beckham House.
I'm going back to the accommodation to have a warm lunch inside as I still want to stay on a budget. This afternoon I'm going to visit the Museum of Natural Sciences.
Muséum des Sciences Naturelles.
It's actually rather small, but it's interesting and it's focusing on the findings that were done in the region, which is nice. The building is apparently a former palace. It's not in the best shape, but they are trying to maintain it. So that church is the church Notre-Dame des Victoires, so Our Lady of Victories. I noticed this impressive church outside, so I just want to have a look at it.
The entrance is there on the side.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!